just got our package here. A little present for Sophia. And we are very glad to open it with you. Should we open it? Okay.
Okay.
Let's start. Oi. What do we have here?
What is it here?
Cool.
Cute is this? We just got our NaNaNa surprise 2-in-1 Pom Doll. And it's so cute. A little bunny. It's a purple. Wow. How cute is she?
Let's do it.
Okay, now we are going to open it.
Open it.
Okay, here is...
Here.
Oh.
Oh.
Oi. It's really hard to open it.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Oh. Oh. What do we have here? A balloon. Okay.
Nice.
Balloon.
Nice. It's a mix.
And here is... Oh, a straw, so we can pour it. Wait. Okay, let's see. Here.
Well, you don't see that every day.
Is she? How cute is she, right?
Let's do it.
Okay, now we have to put this inside. Like this. Okay.
Come on.
And now we have to press it.
Cool.
Oh, open it. And
2,
1, 2, 3. Wow, confetti. That's so cute.
Really?
Wow. Okay, now we are going to open it because Sophia is so excited she cannot wait anymore.
Nice.
I have to see. Okay, like this. Whee!
What?
Confetti?
Yeah.
Yes.
What did we get? Wow! Oh, how cute! A kitty!
Yes.
And here we have something else. Okay, 1, 2.
3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. She's right. 1, 2, 3. And should we open this one first? Here we have NaNaNa surprise dolls. I'm really excited. Which one are we going to get? I think this one is our
Take a leg.
Bianca Bengal. Okay, let's open it. Here you can see them all. I think we got this one here because of the cat. Cat, yes.
Ice cream.
Wait, we are going to open this. What do we have here?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh no.
Wow! Wow! Oh, she's really nice. Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
let's put her arms like this. And here we have, wait, we have to show it. Wow, she's so cute, right? Here is a little bag. Yes. And here says NaNaNa surprise, series 4. And here is the doll. Okay. Let's open this one here. We got a... what is this? Wait, let's see what is this. It's a t-shirt. Oh, it's a t-shirt for her. Wow. Orange with black. And here we have, wow, shoes. Ooh, wow, they are also
Nice.
orange and black, just like the t-shirt. So here is our Bianca Bengal.
Cool.
And here is the bag. The bag is just like her. Okay. Yeah. So cute, right?
Really? Oh, man.
Okay. It's so cute, right? Shoes and her dress. So cute. You want to close it? Or open it? Okay. Yeah. We got a Bianca Bengal, and here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more of them. Like this. Wow, they are all so cute. Tommy Toro, Bebe Groovy, Julie Joyful, Melanie Maud, and Paula Perfect. Wow, they are all so cute. I think we are going to buy more of them. They are called NaNaNa Surprise 2-in-1 Pom Doll. Yeah, this one is also cute, right? Tommy Toro. Yeah, we are going to buy Tommy Toro, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. We are going to buy all of them. Thank you, NaNaNa Surprise, guys. Today we are going to show you some funny game. Are you guys ready? Wow! Look, guys. Can you guess what this is? It's called Baba Bubbles. Okay, let's see. Oh. What do we have here? Sheep. Wow. Oh, this is so cute, right? Look, guys. You like it, Sophie? Oh. Okay, here we have some numbers.
And here we have some numbers.
Oh, punch is out. They come like this, and now we are going to take them out because we need them to feed our sheep.
What?
Oh, her wall is coming. Look, look, Sophie. Oh, okay, Sophie. Now you have to wait, Sophie. Now choose a card, Sophie, for you. This is number 2, and here we have some cherries. Okay, now press it 2 times. Her head. Yeah, push it hard. 1, 2. Okay, she didn't sneeze. Okay, Sophie, choose another card. Which one you want? Which card you want?
This one.
Okay, this one. Number 4, broccoli. Yeah, good job, Sophie. Okay. It means that you have to feed your sheep 4 times. Press it 4 times. Press it hard. 1. Oh, she already sneezed. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is kiwi. Number 4. Okay, press it 4 times. Feed your sheep 4 times.
Well, you don't see that every day.
2, 3, 4. Woo! She didn't sneeze. Wow, those are pumpkins. 5 pumpkins.
Pumpkins.
Pumpkins for sheep. Okay, now press her head 5 times. 1,
2, 3, 4.
Wow, she sneezed again. Look, guys. Oh, the wall. Oh. Now, choose another card. Tomato. Okay, number 3. And this is pepper. Okay. Press her head 3 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
Wow, they sneeze. Should we make more bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make bubbles. Now we are going to make a bubble. So much bubbles. Let's try it. Whoa!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10! Woo! So much more! Look! Whoa! Oh, again? Mommy's nose! Is mommy now a sheep? Number 4 is here! Okay, let's press it for time.
1, 2,
Open up!
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10! Whoa, so much more! 1.
2, 3, 4.
Oh, she's this! Whoa! She has. Whoa! Cookies! Cookies! Yummy, yummy, yummy! Okay, let's try it. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh! Achia! Achia! Good job, Sophie! Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed our video and I hope you liked our new toy sheep Bubbles! And see you next time!
Bye!
Thumbs up!